So in this new video called WBS from BOQ, WBS from BOQ, we have taken a video Primavera tutorial how to create a work breakdown structure. It is from our Telegram YT planning. Here it is here playlist of complete primary video tutorial tips on how to create baseline program. We selected this one. When we click it, we will get this one. Here we are stopped at here 3.39. What is showing here? We have created a Excel file. It has some BOQ columns. Some Excel columns are there. BOQ reference, division of work, activity ID, activity name, BOQ description, quantity, unit, rate, distribution, percentage, and amount. Okay. So now the main W is created with the yellow color, substructure, superstructure, rough finishes, final finishes, electrical works, mechanical works, firefighting works, conveying system, closeout. Okay. So this is another level.
And we're going to put different color. Then
Okay, second level WB is also completed in green color. Now
there are three different types of excavation. Therefore, I'm going to insert 3 rows for 3 types of excavation. Copy and insert here. Then go back to BOQ, delete this blank space. Then copy these 3 types of excavation up to this unit cost. Copy. The use of this distribution percentage is BOQ description was used in other activity name. Then we are going to put the percent weight of its activity name. But in this case, map foundation was used only in excavation works. Therefore, it is 100%. For isolated footing, this quantity was used only for excavation work, so therefore it's also 100%. And also for grade beams, we are going to create formula for the total amount is equal to percent distribution multiply by the unit rate multiply by the quantity equal, and drag the formula. Get the total amount for excavation. Drag, start from here from map foundation up to grade beam. Then go back to our sample BOQ.
so here the excavation divided into mat foundations, isolated footings, and grade beams. So this quantity set is transferred into the Excel file like this. Mat foundation 17 point is calculated, and excavated work the amount is calculated like this. It is in a gray color. It is the sum. It is 34,945 is the sum of these three figures. So excavation work is completed. So now we'll continue with the other one.
Then go back to our sample BOQ. So for this 3%, for backfilling works, there are one item description which is compacted replacement gradual material backfilling work. I'm going to insert 2 row. This is backfilling work, copy this value. And go back to sample BOQ, then put color here. It means that you already used this quantity 100%. BOQ description for the division too, so therefore we put division to here. 2, 2, 2. Then let's go to division number 3, which is complete with foundation. I'm going to insert one activity name and 3 BOQ description under complete work. So copy this. And insert here. Change. Copy the BOQ for these 3 items. Paste here.
Okay, here we can see the blinding is 11 MPa. 11 MPa. Okay.
For these 3 items are 100% distributed. So in our BOQ is slab on grade. So slab on grade, it is only one item description. So go back to our WBS datasheet. So copy this row. Copy and paste yung BOQ description. And paste here. Put 100% for percent distribution because all the quantity for this BOQ description are belong to slab on grade. For BOQ sample, mark, we put a yellow color in order to identify that this item are already distributed 100%. So for isolated footing in MAC foundation, it is belong to reinforced concrete footing. So reinforced concrete footing will be constructed after blinding the structural plan. So I'm going to copy these 3 rows and insert here after blindings. Change this to reinforced concrete. Check the total summation of these 2 items. Just drag upward activities of work. Change this to grade beams and water. And insert it. And copy this water tank wall. And insert. Check the subtotal. 100%. there is a column neck. Column neck is belong to substructure or structure below the ground. To the neck. Here, meter. 10%. Then for floor, so copy this row and insert here the ground floor. Roof floor. To ground floor column. And last, distribution of column for ground column, force or column, and I will give 10 for column and 15% distribution. Percent. The total quantity for this item are already distributed 100%. Let's check the formula for subtotal if it is correct. For ground floor, for second floor, already distributed now. So it is correct. Let's check if column, floor, and course 15%.
So here this BOQ, this column is for total. So he is taking only 10% for the in the description. Let us see. So he has taken only 10%.
For course, I also took 10% for column neck. It's here. Only a partial of distribution second. So copy this row and insert for third floor. For fourth floor, insert here. To ground floor column. Then second floor. And 4% weight distribution of column for ground column, I will give 25%. For course also 25. For second floor column, I will give 20%. For fourth floor column, I will give also 15% for column and course 15%. And for the roof floor, also 15% for column and 15% for course. This percent weight distribution for column will be done by quantity surveyor. Let's check if this percent weight distribution of column is correct. So, equal 10, already distributed 100%. Let's check the formula for subtotal if it is correct. For ground floor, for second floor, for third floor, for fourth floor, just follow and continue the percent weight distribution for slab, drop beams, and stair. And proceed to the next division of work, division number 4, which is masonry works, and continue to finish the remaining division up to division 16, which is electrical work. This is the completed WBS work breakdown structure in Excel cost loading that we gathered from bill of quantity for the 4-story residential building project from division number 2 up to division 16. I'm going to transfer this data to Primavera 6 to create data to Primavera 6 to create WBS structure in P6. So open Primavera 6 program, click File, New, next, project ID, we called it 4-story residential building. Project name, 4-story building. Click open, look for our project. This is for 4-story residential building. Then click WBS. So this is the title of our project, 4-story residential building. So the first level will be construction work. Click add and name it construction work. That's level number 1. The next level, which is level number 2, will be from our data sheet that we are created in Excel, which is substructure. Copy and transfer here. So click add, then change to substructure. The next level is the activity under substructure. The activity under substructure is earthwork, concrete works, and waterproofing works. So copy this earthwork and click add. Here. Then add again. Go back out. Data sheet, then concrete works. Copy. Are the same level. Therefore, I will move this in order to align this earthwork and concrete work at the same level. So construction work, first level, substructure, second level, and these two earthwork and concrete waterproofing work also under substructure. Click add. Then concrete work at the same is superstructure. Copy. Superstructure is the same level as substructure, but I'm going to move this to the same level as substructure. Then place it and fold floor. Add. Move to the right. Then superstructure siya. So add to the number floor end. So just copy this ground floor to WBS. sublevel. Okay, there one. Change this to final pieces. Then move these final finishes at the bottom of wrap finishes. So click this arrow down. Then just minimize this level. The next level after final finishes, electrical work, which have also a sub-level of ground floor to roof floor. Therefore, same procedure, copy these final finishes and insert under construction work. Click OK. Then change this to electrical works. And move at the bottom of final finishes. So click down. Then the next after electrical works. So same procedure, copy the electrical works because they have the same sub level which is ground floor up to roof floor and paste at the bottom of construction work. Then change this to mechanical work and move down electrical work. The next level after mechanical work is pipe to roof floor. There one. So after is conveying system. Add it to the left. Then click add weighing system. There is a fault. Then click here paste. Then the final conveying system. Copy and then close out. So in Primavera 6 from bill of quantity. Minimize this to level number 2. So let's go to activities to check what it looks like. So click activities. So this is the activities. This is the project name. This is construction work first level. The blue one is the second level and the red is the third level. Thank you for watching the video.